Welcome to this definitive guide answering the question, can I turn off my UPS when not in use? This video is essential for homeowners, electricians, and young engineers. We will be diving into the engineering realities behind uninterruptible power supplies and how to best manage them for longevity. Section 1 explores the UPS anatomy, showing why it is much more than just a battery in a box. A UPS contains sophisticated components designed for power management and protection. Key functions include surge protection to clamp high-voltage spikes, AVR circuitry for steady power regulation, and a smart BMS to monitor battery health and charging cycles. These core internal functions protect your devices and maintain the UPS itself. Turning off a UPS comes with the cost of idling. Standard lead-acid batteries suffer a monthly self-discharge of about 2%. If the UPS is off, this discharge is uncorrected, leading to sulfation and premature battery failure. Section 2 is the switch debate, where we evaluate the impacts of daily power cycles on your UPS. Should you turn it on or off? Let's look at the myths versus engineering reality. One myth is that turning it off saves money. In reality, idle consumption is negligible. The greater reality is that the battery needs a float charge to maintain chemical balance. The negligible energy saving is far outweighed by the cost and inconvenience of replacing a prematurely failed battery. Professionals keep their UPS units on for several reasons: continuous float charging, automatic self-tests, constant surge protection, and immediate readiness for power transitions. Keeping it on ensures continuous protection and optimal performance of the unit. The sealed lead-acid, or SLA, batteries in most UPS units thrive on a 100% charge. Leaving a UPS off for months causes deep discharge. This deep discharge can permanently kill the battery cells in as little as 90 days. Looking at energy usage, idle or float mode consumes only about 4% relative to full operation. Recharging consumes 15%. The minimal power draw while in idle mode is a small price for maintaining battery health and providing continuous protection. Here is our action recommendation guide. For daily use and short vacations, the recommended action is to leave the UPS on for maximum battery life and protection. For long-term storage or severe lightning storms, turning it off and disconnecting or unplugging is recommended to prevent drain or protect against extreme surges. For long-term storage, follow this protocol: charge to 100%, power down, disconnect the internal battery connector, and recharge every 3 to 6 months. This storage protocol prevents total battery drain and fire risks associated with unattended, continuously connected systems. Thank you for prioritizing your power infrastructure health. For further inquiries, please reach out to the contacts provided. These are the image sources used in the video.